Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on KFC opening their 41st restaurant in Christiana, Mandeville. Now KFC is the number one fast food chain in Jamaica. There is no close number two. That's how far ahead they are. And outside of Kingston, they have 27 locations. The Kingston metropolitan area, which is where you find the largest population in Jamaica. Outside of Kingston, they have 27 locations. In all, they have 41. So the KFC, owned by Restaurants of Jamaica, they are the franchise holder of KFC in Jamaica, spent $220 million to open their newest restaurant in Christiana, Manchester. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. The opening of a new KFC restaurant in Christiana, Manchester by Restaurants of Jamaica marks a significant milestone in the company's ongoing efforts to expand its footprint across Jamaica. With an investment of $220 million, this facility is the 41st KFC location on the island and the 27th outside the Kingston metropolitan area. Beyond serving as a quick service restaurant, the new Christiana location reflects ROJ's broader commitment to fostering economic growth and community engagement in rural Jamaica. The establishment of the KFC restaurant in Christiana brings tangible economic benefits to the area. By creating 40 new jobs, the project offers stable employment opportunities to residents, particularly those in underserved rural communities. These jobs range from frontline service roles to management positions, providing a diverse array of career paths. The multiplier effect of this investment is expected to benefit local suppliers, contractors, and service providers who play a role in supporting the restaurant's operations. Christiana, located in the heart of Manchester, is a vibrant rural town with growing economic potential. The new KFC outlet contributes to the area's development by attracting visitors from surrounding communities such as Spalding and Coblow. The influx of customers will likely stimulate activity in other local businesses, including transportation, retail, and small-scale vendors. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. There is okay, I was going to say there was one part of the article that I found very interesting, but we'll leave it alone. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think. Have a good day.